Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 19th of March. This is our midweek recap. I hope you're all doing well. So today was Fed Day. We gapped up ever so slightly. We pushed up, and then here's your Fed decision, and we pushed all the way up to 570.95 before we came back in here, but holding in well and looking fairly bullish. Powell came in and delivered. The Fed was very straightforward. And the big takeaway from the Fed is while the rates didn't change, they reduced the balance sheet runoff from 25 billion a month to 5 billion. That is a huge amount of liquidity no longer being pulled out of the market. It is very similar to cutting rates in terms of you're pulling less liquidity out. It's kind of like a small rate cut, maybe just a little tiny one there. So the SPY reacted well. We pushed into this gap before we came back down. And the next move here is up to the 200-day at 573.14. And then the 21-day and the gap fill kind of come together up here around 576. And that's your big point to watch. If we get up to there, the question will be is do we rally and continue up or do we roll over? And that's going to be the real big spot I'm watching up there. Nice move up into it. We'll see. And that would could create the W, come back down, retest the lows and go. I was just talking on Spaces, and the one thing we just talked about, and I pointed out was, you know, um, the White House is going to be what it is, right? Under Trump, the White House is going to do what it is. You're going to get tons of headlines and nonstop talk. And if the tariff bandwagon starts beating hard again tomorrow or the next couple of days or next week, and the market continues to react, then we're going to come back down. But if the market stops reacting, and translation is the news no longer is affecting the market and move past it, that would be a bullish sign for the market. And that would be good. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll see how it plays out here. Bottom line is the market had a strong day. Everything is up here now. The Qs also nice bounce here. Couldn't quite break as strong numbers there, but moving up. IWM had a very nice day. Energy was strong. Look at the move on the XLE. Chevron breaking out of the range here. It's been stuck here forever. Nice move. The financials also strong, pushing back up. The semis have been all over the place today. Not the easiest of days, still under the 21 day, needs to break that. NVDA gave me fits today. I came in long it, took it off for a loss, tried to short it, took a loss. But overall, it pushed back up and it pushed into this uptrend that it had broken below and it got rejected there and it's got rejected at the 21-day area. But NVIDIA still looks good overall. AMD had a very nice move. AMD looks like it wants to try that 50-day. I would love to see that. Apple had a big move early and then it came back off after some news, but it got up above the 8 day before getting rejected there. Overall, still strong. Hood had a beautiful day, almost to the 21-day. Coin, big move there. MSTR trying to break out here and not trying, breaking out of this downtrend. Nice move there. Looks like it wants the 50-day. Tesla all over the place today, but right back to the 8 day. It needs to clear there. And you just had bullish moves all over. I just added some long-term Amazon to my account. I've been trading SPY calls all day long. Did nice with those. I was in them overnight and down. I added to them, got out for a win, and bought them back and made some really nice money on that. Out here right now, we'll see how we close. So it really comes down to what the next move is here. So if you're paying attention and you're looking, you watch this area, you watch the 200-day and the 21-day, and those are your areas. If you can push above that, that's very bullish. We have 2 days left in the week. We have Thursday, and then Friday is OPEX for the month of March, which is typically a choppy month. A lot of people are still short this market, even though we've pushed up. Haven't seen a lot of shorts covering. That's going to be interesting going into that expiration. I'm out on Friday. I'm away for the weekend, so you guys get 3 days without me. I'm sure my room will enjoy that. And we'll see where we go from there. Link in the description below if you want to join us in the room. Hope everybody's doing well. Members, if you need to chat, let me know.